Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to change your claim fee in Vrbo. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in this guide where they perfectly explained everything about Vrbo claim fee, what is it and how to set it. What is Vrbo cleaning fee? Almost all Vrbo properties charge a cleaning fee, which covers the costs of cleaning their rentals after the guests have checked out. It's an extra charge that is added to the total booking fee, and it stays the same no matter how many guests book a vacation rentals and how long they stay there. A claim fee is set by hosts and may differ depending on the location, size of the property, and the cleaner's rate. It could include basic cleaning, laundering linens, restocking supplies, and anything else that helps the owner clean and prepare the rentals for their next guests. How to set your VRBO cleaning fee? VRBO cleaning fee is a standard fee that hosts can apply to all dates on their race calendar. You can add a cleaning fee to your listing if you log into your dashboard. If you have more than one listing, you need to select the listing you want to edit and follow these steps. First, you should click on the calendar to expand the left navigation menu and choose Rates. In the top right corner, you'll see the gear icon. Click on this icon and then click Fees. Select fee type and enter your amount. Once you enter all required information, click on Save. VRBO cleaning fee refund. In some instances, it's possible if guests cancel their stay before the check-in time, the cleaning fee will be refunded to them in full. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.